Rainbows are optical phenomena caused by reflection, refraction, dispersion. Primary colors of rainbows are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. The order of colors in a rainbow is Roy Biv. Double rainbows occur when light is reflected twice inside raindrops. Alexander's dark band appears between primary and secondary rainbows. Supernumerary rainbows display additional fainter bands inside the main bow. Moonbows or lunar rainbows are formed by moonlight rather than sunlight. Rainbows can form in water spray, fog, or even in ocean spray. Glory is a set of colored rings around the shadow of the observer. Twinned rainbows result from the splitting of light inside raindrops. Rainbows are full circles, but the ground often obstructs the bottom. Supernumerary bows are more prominent in small raindrops than large ones. Circular rainbows can occur when observed from high above, like in an airplane. Rainbows have fascinated cultures and are often considered symbolic. Rainbows inspired various myths, legends, and religious interpretations. Isaac Newton was the first to explain the formation of rainbows. A fogbow is a colorless rainbow formed in foggy conditions. The widest angle between the sun and an observer is 42 degrees. The higher the sun, the lower the center of the rainbow appears. Rainbows are actually a continuous spectrum of colors, not separate bands. Supernumerary rainbows were explained by Thomas Young's wave theory of light. The pink color outside the main bow is a rare sight. Rainbows can appear in the spray from waterfalls under the right conditions. In some cultures, rainbows are seen as bridges between worlds. Circumhorizontal arcs create a rainbow-like effect using ice crystals. The famous pot of gold at the end of the rainbow is a myth. Rainbows were studied by Aristotle, who believed in a two-color spectrum. Rainbows can be used in art, literature, and symbolism to convey various meanings. Rainbows on other planets or moons with atmospheres are possible. Sundogs can accompany rainbows, forming bright spots on either side. Rainbows are not physical objects, but optical and meteorological phenomena. The concept of a rainbow flag originated in the LGBTQ+ movement. Rainbows can be used as a navigational aid in the absence of a compass. Rainbows appear when sunlight interacts with rain, mist, or dewdrops. The higher the sun, the larger the diameter of the rainbow. Supernumerary rainbows were first explained by Thomas Young in 1804. Circumzenithal arcs are arcs that occur directly above the observer. Rainbows can be seen in the spray of fountains under certain conditions. The glory optical phenomenon occurs when airborne droplets scatter light. Rainbows are rare in polar regions due to the low angle of the sun. A moonbow is a rainbow produced by moonlight rather than sunlight. Rainbows can appear in the aftermath of rain or during a drizzle. Supernumerary rainbows are fainter and inside the main bow's outer edge. Rainbows can be seen as complete circles from an aircraft or mountain top. Rainbows are often depicted in art as symbols of hope and promise. Lunar halos and rainbows are formed by different atmospheric conditions. Rainbows can be observed on misty mountainsides or near waterfalls. The first mention of a rainbow is found in Chinese writings from 4,000 years ago. Rainbows have inspired poets, writers, and artists throughout history. Supernumerary rainbows are caused by interference between light waves.